Hello again, time for another video, and this time I'm gonna talk about the charAt method. And is this one charAt? Okay. And this one is a built-in method. It applies to strings and it's gonna return the character at an index. Like I said before, it applies to strings. Let's get down to it. I'm gonna create my main. As we well know, the main is where our program starts. I'm gonna create a variable of type string called a, and we're gonna give it the value of Java. Again, surprise, surprise. Now, I'm gonna sys out the character at index 0. So we have J-A-V-A, okay, Java. This is gonna be index 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, okay? And we want, so on our variable A, if I'm gonna press the dot, it's gonna give us a list of all the methods that are available, that are built into Java. So Java comes already with these methods. We just need to make sure that we are aware of the methods that Java comes with, and to know how to use them. This is the one that we talk about today. So charAt. So this is the shortcut for character at a specific index. charAt 0. And if I'm gonna run this, we should get in the console down below, we should get the J letter, which we just did. So again, say we want to do charAt 1. Okay, so this is 0, this is 1. So we are expecting this letter here, A, to show up on the screen as on top of the J letter, because our program runs from top to bottom, top left to bottom, yeah? So it goes like this, because we could have done, why I'm saying top and then, sorry, that was a right, so top, down, right, and down again. It goes in a sequence, essentially. So let's say we do 2. What do you think is gonna be printed? Well, let's see, and then I'm gonna walk you through why it is the way it is. So we have the string, the variable called a of type string that holds the value Java. Good. Next line we have, so on line 8, we have system.out.println a.char, so a is our variable here, and by putting the dot we access the method, the built-in method charAt index 0. We know that this is, for example, look, to make this even more well, I guess try and make it a bit simpler. So this is 0, that's 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, so this one charAt 0 is going to return J, which is displayed here on the screen. The next one, so it's going to go to this one because it's on the same line. So whether we have it here or there is the same thing. We're going to get the same result. So I finished this one, executing this one, and we can tell it's finished executing because it has the semicolon at the end. Then we have another call to the printline method, which this one, again, it's a built-in method. So we go a dot charAt2. charAt2 should return us letter V, which we have it here, down below here. And then there's nothing more on this line, it goes to the next one. So on line 10, system.out.print a.charAt1. charAt1 is this one, yeah, A. So JVA. Hence, the result on the screen is the way it is. This is it, nice and simple. So don't forget, if you want to check the built-in methods that come with Java, you can simply use the dot notation, which means you put down the name of the variable and then you put the dot, and by pressing the dot you're gonna have a whole list of the built-in methods. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that these built-in methods are gonna be different depending on the type of the variable that they are called on. So for example, because this variable A is of type string, we're gonna have a certain list of built-in methods. Now, if A would have been of type string, let's say, of type integer, let's say, a whole different list of methods we would have available for executing. So depending on the type of the variable, Java is gonna make available to us different type of methods. Okay, so or different methods. Thanks for watching.